All right, everybody, we're raising money for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Make sure you guys click the link in the description right here. This is what the price, or this is how much we've raised so far, but we're doing this live. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this one. This is Moto Madness. Grip it and rip it. Okay. We're going to be talking about this. Remember, we do have some pop quizzes. Where are they going to show up? Let's figure it out. All right, Adam Bischoff in LA looking for the, what's happening here? Ooh, all over the place. Whoa, 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 whoa. Brake, 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 brake. Do some progressive braking. This is definitely an orange stage situation. Don't get close. Roll off that throttle or progressively brake. Get yourself out of there. Let the idiot be an idiot in front of you, not behind you. How to handle being tapped. Okay. Why is the TikTok sideways? Got a little bit of tippity tap tap with a Buick. Okay. See, it's a kid in the back seat, so you let it go. Okay, they apologize. I see. I get it. Okay. Oh, we got a pop quiz. So this is what happened right at the beginning. This is what's happening right before the incident. This is what's happening during the incident. Got a quad lock. And this is what's happening afterwards. So what happened? Did you see where we were? How things were flowing? We're in a roundabout. It's right in the comments. In a roundabout, we got a big old lorry. Is it a lorry or a bus? I don't know. Cut us off. We have to switch over here. Gets cut off and swerves. Okay, so we're coming up to here. We should be in orange stage, prepped and ready. We're planning our ride, positioning for safety, locating hazards, and assessing relevant threats. Okay, so we're coming in through here. We already know we want to exit, but this guy's blocking it off. Yeah, good thing he's rev bombing, right? All right, whatever. Moving on. All right, ooh, we got another one, Tyler Abel. So, it was what happened right before. Look at that. Ooh, okay. Where are we going? This is right after the incident. And this is at the end. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be a road rage. Side of the vehicle. Okay, we see sides of the vehicle. Okay. What about rev bomb? Did you guys put it in your thing that we did a decent... No, it's not even a decent U-turn. Guys, you need to practice your U-turn, okay? Practice the U-turn. Practice your U-turn. Let's not do this. Just an entitled rider. Okay, we're not even going to watch this. In fact, guys, make sure you guys are practicing your U-turn here. Okay, so go ahead and start off with just 2 tight turns from a stop. It's just, that's all it is. A U-turn is a tight turn and a tight turn. Try to do it in a 20-foot box if you can. Lower CCs is typically what the 20-foot box is. So I see some of you guys going to the MSF. They have you on 150 CCs into a 20-foot box. 20-foot box is roughly about 2 parking spaces wide. 2 parking spaces wide is 18 feet. So if you can do it within like 2 to 3, you're doing pretty good. Remember to look where you want to go. So put that head on, or your chin on your shoulder, and really look, almost look behind you so you can actually get that movement behind you. You don't want to turn here and then finally look. You look where you go, right? Target fixating, right? You want to get your technique over your perfection. Remember, practice makes progress. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is just to make it. If you're having trouble with this, start off once again with the basics and the fundamentals. Do a tight turn, pause. Do a tight turn, pause. Tight turn, pause. And really start working on that until you get to the point where you're just doing it almost in a circle. And now you're doing a U-turn and then a circle, and then get some smoothness in the friction zone and throttle control, and just kind of ride at your own pace, guys. So make sure you practice your U-turns. Okay, Tyler? Get the drill booklet. Exactly, Ryan. I got it on my phone right here, on my quad lock. Whoa! If you donate to the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, you get this the digital drill booklet for 75% off. You'll get a coupon code in the email that I send you. Links in the chat, links in the description. When in doubt, throttle out. Maybe not for that guy. Ooh, pop quiz. This is what happened right at the beginning. Okay. This is what happened right before. This is going to be what happened during. Uh-oh. And this is what's going to happen after. So what do you think happened? We're going to go ahead and pause it real quick. Write it in the chat. What do you think happened? What do you think happened? Write it in the chat. Here we go. Looking down. He's looking down. Oh, we're starting to drift. Starting to drift. Oh, no. We're back on. Woo! So we saw this one. So first and foremost, he doesn't have a quad lock. Or, sorry, he doesn't have a cardo. Come on, man. Or a quad lock. So we're looking down. We're going straight, right? We're looking down. White staged. Yeah, white staged. We started to drift off. But here's the thing. We were in white stage for a hot minute here, right? We're a little bit zoned out. And we went off the path. And we could have easily went into brown stage, right? Easily just panicked and slammed the brakes. You know, we're on gravel now. We're like, oh, crap, oh, crap, oh, crap. But he did a good job. Got himself back up. He's in Nevads, not Nevada, but Nevads, and he's got himself back on. He transitioned to red, exactly. Transition. This is red stage now. You got to do something. Get yourself out of here. Transition to red. Got himself back on. Now we're on good traction, and now we can celebrate. Very good. All right, we already saw this one. Gets cut off, throws the bike. He said, screw you, bike. I don't care. Bye, bike. Don't like you anymore. Oh, another pop quiz. This is what happened at the very beginning. Look at the situation we're in. This is what's happening right before. Oh, this looks like an open lane. Looks like an open lane. We got cut off. This is what's happening during. This is what's going to happen after. So what do you guys think happened? I just kind of said it here. We got... What kind of situation we got? Let's just watch. Let's watch. What do you think is going to happen? Open lane and fighting for it? Okay. There's the open lane. Moved in. We're fighting for it. You're right. Guys, if you watch Moto Madness, Moto Stars, Chaos Riders before watching what we do here, you're going to know all the answers. You guys are studying for the tests. Trace, maybe in the next stream. So can I walk you through them like if it's a quiz? Let's try that right now. All right, everybody. I don't have any. I need to have actual answers for you. I need to have, you know, A, B, C, or D. I think that's what I need to do. So thank you for the feedback, Trace. It kind of got my creative juices going. We're going to remove this part. And we're just going to put answers here. I think that's what we're going to do. Yeah. We'll do that for the next stream, which the only way you get access to the next stream is by joining Discord or joining the MTC Rider Academy. We send out a newsletter every week, and we're going to do a notification on Discord for the unlisted YouTube live stream. Whoa! Yeah, I think we're going to need to put A, B, C, or D. All right, so here's another pop quiz. All right, here we go. So this is right before. This is right after. Or I'm sorry, right during. It's during. Jeez, I can't even speak. We're practicing this. This is right after. Ooh. What are we talking about? Oh, yeah, are we passing? We're going to pass? Oh! Almost a broken leg there, right? Yeah, we're going to work on the pop quizzes. Thank you guys for the feedback. We're working through this live class stuff. So we slammed the brakes right there. Red stage, not going to be enough. We have to do something. We have to swerve, right? We got to get ourselves out of here. We can't just try to brake. We're going to run into that. So we got to get ourselves out of here. First and foremost, maybe we shouldn't be speeding and passing people like this nonchalantly, and especially without any gear, okay? Especially without gear. Make sure you guys be smart riders, acquire and use personal protective equipment. It's the answer's always C. Yeah, maybe. All right, so you guys see that real quick? Take a look at this. We got an intersection coming up. We got cop. Okay, we are definitely in orange stage. What is going on here? Jeebus. So these live streams, guys, these live classes are unlisted. This is the last public live stream. From now on, the only way you're going to get the link to the live class is through the newsletter when you sign up for the MTC Rider Academy, or if you join Discord and you'll get an at everyone notification with the link.
No, sir. We just.
It's only we're not doing public live classes anymore.
So we can use this in court?
But you're allowed to invite your friends.
Okay, yes, sir. I'm sorry about that. I'll turn it off if you want me to.
Subpoena that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got a little bit of hentai going on there.
Okay.
So you can prove what you were doing.
Yes, sir.
Dude, y'all gonna get killed on these things.
I know, man. I literally just got off my street glide too. We just kind of going to the twisties.
That's funny. The cop was like,
Have your driver's license?
Yes, sir. I do. I got insurance and everything. Yep.
Well,
cop was like, go ahead and keep recording so you can prove that you guys were doing that stuff.
I got 143 on my radar, but I don't know which one of y'all.
143. This one doesn't. This one doesn't.
We don't do that.
Yeah, these bikes don't go that fast.
Really?
Yeah, these are just like really torquey monsters.
Well, it might have combined your speed and my speed. I'm not sure, but when I did finally get up to you right there in the
Is that how radar works?
curve,
yes, sir.
y'all were both over 70 miles an hour. Yes, sir. Okay. Where y'all headed to right now?
Interesting
we're
choice
going
of
to
stickers,
Highway
but
25
hey, that's a modular helmet, everybody. In Unit 2, which is being filmed and will be out May 7th, got ourselves a little modular helmet. Very good. Recommended if you don't like full face helmets all the time. It's good for when you get claustrophobic. And whenever you stop into like a store, you don't really have to take your helmet off. You have your face being shown and everything. You can take a drink of water and everything. But if you're riding, keep it into the full face. When you're out off the bike, it's pretty easy to just put it in a 3/4 helmet style. If you don't like full faces, get a modular at least.
Getting the twisties over in Leeds.
Right around.
Good.
We don't have to call the coroner. We've already had 5 fatalities
Oh man.
in the Birmingham area this week.
Yes, sir.
Actually, no, I'm sorry.
Opening it mostly while fully stopped and not at red. Yeah.
Jacksonville Post,
Yep.
that makes 5.
You can pop it open at a stoplight. Get a quick breather, maybe do a quick drink with like maybe you have like a Camelback and then put it right back down. Make sure it clicks down. That's it. All right, everybody. Once again, sign up for the MTC Rider Academy. Make sure you guys donate to the DGR. Links are in the description. Grab yourself a cardo, grab yourself a quad lock, all that stuff. But with that said, thank you guys for joining. Make sure you guys sign up for the MTC Rider Academy and bye.